welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I am Laurice. In today's video, I'm going to be writing a Christmas card. I haven't mailed out or given out Christmas cards since 2017. That's really bad. So as I was going through my pile, and I didn't have to buy any this year because from the last time I sent out, which was 2017, I have a bunch of them. So in this one, it's only 2 that's left on here. But the thing about it is this one was already written out to someone and by accident they didn't get it. So this one is to the side. So the first one, and I only have one of this that's good left, it says Mary, and it's that beautiful red color. And it just says Merry Christmas. And on the inside it have that little red snowflake, and it says sending good wishes and holiday cheer for a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I like this one, and it's only one, so I should give it to someone super special. Oh, everyone is special. And it says North Pole with Love, December 25th. I like that. And then there are these joy that I also have again that I didn't have to buy. And what I like about this is the O is that beautiful flower that makes the O. And on the inside, it just says Merry Christmas, which kind of giving you room to customize the words that you want to put into that card. And the third set of cards I have is this one, beautiful picture. And on the inside, it's blank on one side and nothing, and it says, and so the good news was told by shepherds, the miracle of Jesus' birth. So this is really, really nice. And again, all Christmas card, no holiday cards. And I have this one, my favorite because of the color blue, and it says Oh Holy Night. And there's a star on the inside, there's a church on the outside, and on the inside it says, wishing you the gift of faith, the blessing of hope, and the peace of his love at Christmas and always. This is really nice. Not only the color, which I really love, but also the words that's in there. So these will be my choices that I choose from. And everyone is special. And I'm thinking now that I only have just, well, this one that I didn't mail and one of the other red one, that I might just keep that just for keepsake. I keep a lot of stuff. So I have a list here of just my co-workers, which I'm going to be writing my cards from. And I'm just going to write that from there. And I think it's safe to say everyone at my job celebrate Christmas, so I can use these Christmas cards. And I'm going to use the joy. I really like this one for them, so I'm going to use that. I have that beautiful flower. And I try not to give people Christmas card if they're not Christian. I try to give them holiday card because I was born and raised in a country where people are allowed to practice whatever religion they want to practice. I was born in Jamaica, and I was there for the first 14 years of my life. And then I moved to the US, where again, freedom of religion. So I'm not going to force my idea on anyone. Christmas is my favorite time of the year. And because Christmas is my favorite time of the year, I would wish that everyone celebrate Christmas, but it's their choice. So if someone don't celebrate Christmas, I'll be respectful of that and give them a holiday card or nothing. That's just how I am. And so for this holiday season, it is Merry Christmas for you, but whatever it is for you, happy holidays for you. If it's Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, happy Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa to you. And for those who celebrate Christmas, a Merry Christmas to you all. So I'm going to write these cards up, and I'm going to try to get them out this week. And if I don't have your address, consider this your Christmas card. Merry Christmas to you. And I know it's way early, but I have to get these out before, so they could get to their destination before the 25th. And if I have your address and I didn't send you one, it's just been crazy for me. So maybe, whatever it is, I'm not making any excuses. So if 3-4 days from now one of these don't show up in your mailbox, let me apologize right now for that, because I know a lot of people and I can't send a card to every single person that I know. Thank God for those e-cards, which I haven't sent one of those since probably 2015, 2014. Yes. So whatever this holiday is for you, enjoy that. Enjoy this music that I'm going to be playing while I write up my card. Okay, so I'm doing this. Guys, that list is completed, and this list is for my co-workers. So I'm gonna finish up my family and friends off camera. Thank you for watching. Happy holiday. Merry Christmas. See you in the next video. Bye.